I remember when we came into Gyan, it was instilled in so powerfully and it was made so strict that we consciously would not even wish each other on the birthday. To reach an awareness that I should not remember this date. Because it has nothing, it has no significance anymore. It's like any other ordinary day. So even if on other days we will make something special, on that day we would not make. Consciously. So that not to even have the slightest trace that you're trying to make this day a little different from the other days. Because that is, what is it? It is the date the body was born. What is there in that? Kuch bhi nahi hai. Kuch bhi nahi hai. So Baba gives us these simple tools which helps us to forget everything that is related to the body. So now cancel your physical impure birthday, theek hai? Still celebrate birthday but different date. So you can still cut the cake, you can still have your party, you can still do everything, only the date has to change. So which is going to be the date now? So it's not that, अरे मेरा तो birthday ही नहीं celebrate होगा, करो करो, बहुत अच्छे से करो. In fact, every year करो, change your birthday. Okay, today I have changed, new birthday. Today I have changed, new birthday. But not birthday of the body. And then making it a big thing. Now I'm 50, now I'm 55. So much body consciousness this is. Now I'm this. I am not that, no. Okay? So everybody remembers their Gyan Day birthday? Everyone has a date? Gyan Day birthday? It can be any day. It can be the day you came first time to the center. It can be the day you did the course. It can be the day you understood the Gyan. It can be the day you started the Murli. It can be the day you realized and said, Mera Baba. And if you don't remember the day, you make today as your birthday. Finished. Simple. And do something, one thing different from today. So the birthday means something newness in the soul. ठीक है? All done? Cancelling birthdays? कौन कौन कर रहा है आज अपना? कर लो. That is called prioritizing Baba. बाबा ने बोला हमने किया हो, इसमें तो कुछ करना भी नहीं है. No पुरुषार्थ in this, nothing. कौन ready? अच्छे से उठा लो इस लोग के. कुछ भी नहीं. We will celebrate the Alaukik birthday. Alaukik birthday. One Murli Baba, of course he says in many Murlis, but Baba says just following the Srimad only gives you so much power. One Murli recently Baba said, छोटी छोटी चीजों में हाँ जी करो, बड़ा बड़ा छोड़ देते हैं. छोटी 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 छोटी, बहुत छोटी, insignificant है ये चीज करने में. It takes nothing to do this, no effort at all. At least waking up 4 o'clock is little effort. What effort is there in this thing? Nothing. Just do हाँ जी, get 2 marks for that. But if God is saying do this, and if I say no, but I will cut my cake on that day only, then Baba said no problem, continue. गुस्सा तो वो होता नहीं है ना? But I, the soul, don't get that chance to say Hanji to the Srimad and on my thing. So cancel your physical impure birthday. It should not even be remembered. कब है आपका बर्थडे? पता नहीं, याद नहीं. मुझे तो यही बर्थडे याद है. Start saying it, it will happen. Start saying it, it will happen. So Baba says it should not even be remembered. It's not about the cake. Eat cake every day of your life. It is that whole consciousness that we again get trapped into that thing of the body and we make it such a big thing. So celebrate your godly spiritual birthday, maintain your spiritual connection, not a blood connection. Your relationships, that means spiritual connection. हर रिश्ते को रूहानी रिश्ता बनाना है.